What is up, everyone? Welcome to my new video. This is Scrembo from Emotionless Crypto Trading, and today we're going to talk about Bitcoin price analysis, technical details, predictions, and everything we can talk about during the current market scenario from the data perspective. It's going to be a very interesting video where I'd like to help you understand the market better. This is more likely an educational video where I'm trying to raise the alarm for those of you which are not prepared for trading. Be aware that this is a highly risky market. When trading on leverage, it can very easily wipe out your account. So make sure you learn how to trade before trying to trade. Great. Now, BTC has been successfully going above $20,000 in the past period, and now it has reached to 23,000. Couple of hours ago it was 23,900, so very close to 24. We got a 16% increase in the last 24 hours, 26 in the last 7 days. So currently we are forcing the movement. The 24 hours volume is $254 billion for the entire market cap. Market cap is 651 billion totally speaking. We're trading at big numbers. While the altcoin market didn't start it yet to go wild, we're about to begin with that as well. That's the way we're actually positioning ourselves, but we'll have to see. In terms of trading BTC right now, it's very, very difficult because of the high volatility and stop losses you need to utilize, which might not be tight, and the noise that we have in the market is huge. So we got to be very careful with that. Now, here's the 15-minute candlestick that we can work on at the moment. As there is not much data around this 23,000 area, there's significant amount of free space and discovery. When we say price discovery, we say a very, very hardly predictable market. Like you can work level by level, which means thousands and thousands by thousand, or 500 by 500. Or you can use the Fibonacci extension tool to extend basically and calculate the mathematical prices that are usually within the no data zone. Just like we were going above 20 grand, we were trading in a no data zone. Now, looking at the markets for 15 minutes, we have certain data we can relate towards. And it was a crazy move basically, which started right here. We had this candle, the second green candle that you can see right there. This is the first one after the red, and then the second green candle on this 15-minute was very nicely building up on the bullish move. We got here to the 19,000, close to 900, and right away we have spiked to 20,800 in about 45 minutes. We had a sideways movement, and we have entered in a very powerful uptrending channel, which brought up to 23,800 for the Coinbase exchange. Depends on the volatility. We had certain exchanges going up to 23,900 and so. Now, we have been able to clearly establish an uptrending channel which has a support line and a resistance line. Both are very radical in my opinion, and it's hard to trade with them, which means that you can't really base your selling pressure on the resistance that's at the top. On the other side, you can't really base your support and buy into the times we're touching the line, because the angle of the line is very high, is very large, which means that it is not a meaningful line of the trendings. The higher is the angle, the less meaningful the line it is. So in order to handle this specific market, you would need a proper set of data, which I would basically wait for in order to trade efficiently. Now, I'm not looking to gambling and not looking to do such a things at this moment. We have certain opportunities for little scalps and certain great movements at a very high risk as well. So keep in mind that anything that is running at this times when the volatility is this high for the 15-minute candlestick, usually not even for the 4-hour candlestick, we have such big candlesticks, right? So this looks like the daily chart where you have such movement in a day. Well, that's not. It's the 15-minute chart, guys. We've got here two important zones that I wanted to talk about. The 22,400-500 zone is right here, which has been supported, and it's the first bottom we have. And now we're looking forward to establishing the second bottom above it. And then we have at the top a closing point of the 15-minute candlesticks around 23,500. So we have a difference of $1,000 between the lower zone and upper zone that we're trading with. Then at the top, basically, there is the wick located at 23,800, and that has been triggering a lot of the selling pressure. So everything that's within the zone of 23,500, the upper zone, is representing massive selling pressure, as well as everything that is appearing on the range of 23,800, 24,200. You have $400 difference there. Everything's representing in a massive selling zone. Now, after seeing 16% on the BTC in a day, considering a market entry without having a reconfirmation of a support is very, very hard, because you need to assume high risks and you need to be very careful on what you're doing. Now, this is the current scenario we're into, guys. There's not much data to look at right now, and I'm definitely looking forward to talking about on my other channel, on my main channel of cryptocurrency that you can find in the description area or comments area, where I talk about Ethereum as well. So I'm going to keep posting a lot of the videos today and help you out, and go forward and post more videos in the future too, and get this thing to the next level, because this is the time people need a lot of the attention in the space of trading and guidance. So hopefully you'll also have a certain interest in trading, and would like to present you my private one-on-one coaching program, which is located on scrembocoaching.com. This is the presentation on the website. You can see the video. You can register now for a free conversation with me by completing the form. I'm going to reply to you and we can have a free conversation. Make sure you read around the website, but also watch the video. And I could also explain everything in the way it works directly from me. You can get all these details. And just like I said, feel free to check out my main channel. We've got more than 400 videos about crypto trading there, technical analysis, earnings on my video. I have full trading done for you as well. So we have a lot of the things going on, guys. Now, that's pretty much all about the current scenario, and I'm looking forward to it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk to you soon.